Model 2, the every.
Your address is 210.
One variant. You are variant. You are this one. This is for come for the Wi-Fi.
Yeah, for the Wi-Fi. That's the Euro 7.
For the TV.
No.
TV can use.
Do you have TV?
Maybe.
We do TV as well. We do YouTube TV.
Oh, YouTube TV.
Yeah. If you do YouTube TV, they do that.
Can buy the Wi-Fi? Use this?
Yeah, that's the one we put in if you install it. 91766 or 67 is your zip code.
767.
Do you do TV?
Maybe I just ask. Which is the company?
Frontier.
Frontier. This is
so somebody will give you a call for a quote, okay?
Okay.
So, all right.
Thank you.